Welcome! If you want to customize volume styles panel into your Motorola Moto G31, firstly need to open your Play Store and find volume styles application, this one. Need downloading and installing. I've already installed this, so go into. Now when you choose your volume styles panels, so maybe like iOS, okay. And then click Start in the top right corner. Now we need to give permissions for this application here, and one more time into your settings, click use volume styles, allow. And now when we, no thank you, and now when we see stop button here, in the top right corner, we activate our iOS volume panel, so like iOS. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.